Alright guys, this is the last, not the last, the next to the last boss. Part 6. Ace Harlan. He's a very annoying boss, trust me. See what I mean? Look.
That one actually hurt. Thought the world needed more of me, and now they get it. You are nothing compared to Ace Hardlight. They say war is hell. Winding up on where does that leave Dreadzone, huh? Greatest hero that ever lived. You little rodent, you're gonna pay for that. You'll see why they call me the Great One. Extermination is my job. I can't help if I love it. Hey, I'm out of med packs. Not that I need them. Let's see whose action figure they buy now, Lombax.
Come on, punk.
I've always thought the world needed more of me, and now they get it. Maybe I should start trying.
Ooh, that's it. Man, he's done already? Oh, that looks sweet, boss.
Ratchet, you can't beat me. You're just a half-sized rodent with a big wrench. Stay down, Ace. Don't embarrass yourself. Embarrass? Embarrass? I'm Ace Hardlight. You were a hero once, Ace. Ratchet. Don't let Fox do to you what he did to me. You're the hero now.
Couldn't just shoot the guards off. They just took them.
You want to see, Vox?
My boy, you're the grand champion of Dread Zone. The whole galaxy wants to see you. Don't you see, kid? I've been doing everything in my power to make you a star. I've transformed you from a worthless nobody into the hottest celebrity in the galaxy.
Right. So that's why your news show is slandering me every 6 seconds.
Slandering? Why, I was building up your bad boy image. And this is the thanks.
Whatever.
Now, don't be such a baby. I'm about to offer you the opportunity of 1,000 lifetimes. I'm making you the new captain of the Exterminators, the star of the show. Think of it. We'll make billions. We'll sell Ratchet action figures, Ratchet sports shoes, Ratchet deodorant, Ratchet breakfast cereal, earmuffs and cologne, soft drinks, hard drinks, energy drinks, breath mints. You get record deals, movie rights, reality shows, video games, and commercials.
No deal, Vox.
What did you say?
I'm not your puppet, Vox. You actually think I kill other heroes to get rich? You're not just corrupt. You're stupid.
What? You just signed your own death warrant.
So we're done then.
Let him go.
Yes, sir?
We're going to need one final Dread Zone campaign. Have them prepare that, experimental one we developed.
Sir, you don't mean the Gauntlet of Doom?